Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director, programmer and official MA trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. So today we have a look how to copy values from one fixture to another fixture. So let's say we have fixture 1 and this is focused on one very important thing. Let's say this one, and we have the focus zoomed like this, and let's select the color, for example, on this. And now we want that fixture 2 is getting the same values that fixture 1 has. So let's jump right in. Let's say fixture 2. Normally we would say at 20, please, for example. That means at 20% in the dimmer. Or at 80. That means at 80% in the dimmer. But now we want fixture 2 to grab the values from fixture 1. That means we say fixture 2 at fixture 1, please. And now let's see. The fixture is now pointing in the same direction with the same color and the same zoom. But we can go even further. Let's say we have fixture 1 plus 2. Here 1 plus 2. And give them a position like this, like that. And maybe we have red for fixture 1. And green for fixture 2. So, and now we want fixture 3 to fixture 8 to do the same what fixture 1 and 2 is doing. So this is very cool. Let's select fixture 3 through 8 and now say add fixture 1 plus 2, please. Now you can see all the lights are doing the same because we literally have copied the values from fixture 1 and 2 to fixture 3 to 8 in the same interval. You don't have to use it only for fixture at fixture, you can also use fixture at group or group at fixture or even group at group. So be creative and have fun with that function. Thanks for watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next time.